Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun here. How are y'all doing today? My name is Debbie. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Y'all, I miss y'all. I did an unbagging yesterday. I do have another PR package unbagging, but I'm not going to do that one on this video because I want to talk to y'all. How y'all doing? I miss you guys. Y'all, my husband was in for only a few short days, so I didn't do too much videos. And yesterday I had a ridiculous migraine. So yeah, I didn't do too much of nothing at all. I didn't even diamond paint yesterday. It was so bad. But anyway, what are y'all up to? How are y'all doing? How's y'all families? Y'all know I want to know all that good stuff. What y'all working on? Yeah, I want to know. I've been up to spending time with my husband, and then he left. So I'm sad. But he'll be back sometimes next month or something. I don't know. Sometime. Yeah. Then when he comes back, we're going on our anniversary trip. Woohoo, yes. Let's see. I hope y'all could see me good. I'm trying something new on my phone, but I did order a camcorder because it comes with a remote and all. Because I'm tired of doing it on my phone, because my phone, it's taking up my phone's storage, and it wants me to buy more storage, and I keep deleting, and I don't want to do all that. So I got me a camcorder, so I'm going to show y'all. It comes in tomorrow, so I'm going to do an unboxing of it to show y'all. Yeah. It was not that expensive one. So I want to try, I wanted to try a cheaper one first. Because I don't need to be, if it works, I don't want to spend no more money on that, you know. I want to go, I'm not trying to go all fancy and stuff. That just ain't for me, and it's not me. I'm country. I'm good. I don't like all that stuff. Fancy stuff. I'm not all that, okay? No. And it's not me anyway. Anyway, y'all know what? I have an unboxing for y'all. I'm gonna also put up the PR packages unboxing next. So y'all gonna see me in the same shirt, okay? Because I'm not changing. I'm just not. So yeah, let me get that, and I'm gonna get that and do that for y'all right now. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back. That's another thing, and that on that other camcorder, you can pause it and come back and start where you left off. That's what I like. Because if I forget something, I have to stop the video and start it all over. And I don't want that. I don't like to do that. Okay, so I have a Diamond Art Club because I could not help it, y'all. I just couldn't help it. Y'all know I couldn't help it. I have a Diamond Art Club unboxing, and it's a small kit. So Diamond Art Club, on their boxes, they have how it works and the kit contents and everything on their boxes. And I'm sure y'all familiar with this already. So this is a round diamond art kit, and it's called Easter Dragons. Y'all, I'm so excited. Look how cute it is. I don't know what it is about these little dragons, because I don't know. I fell in love with them when I saw them, you know. So this is a Diamond Art Club kit. A Diamond Art Club painting, I'm sorry. And it's called Easter Dragons. And look how cute. Look how cute. Oh my God. So it is a 17 by 18. It's a small one. 42 by 45 centimeter. And it's Easter Dragon by Randal Spangler. Y'all know I like that artist. So, you know. I like pretty much all artists. I really don't care. I just like diamond paintings. But I do love Randal Spangler. He is a good artist. I like his little dragon wings. They're just cute. I don't know. And I'm not one to really like this kind of stuff. But I don't know why. I just like them. I have several of his paintings. Which is in my stash that I never got to show y'all yet. But I'm going to get some out and show y'all some more. That's another video I need to make. Anyway, this is a round diamond painting drill, diamond painting. And you can tell by the circle. And it's pink and the pink stripe. If it was square, it'd be blue, square with the blue stripe. So yeah. So this is what it is, Easter Dragon by Randal Spangler. And I'm gonna unbox this bad boy. I did open it, but I just peeked. And we have a toolkit. I'm gonna open that in a second. And it's little, y'all. It's so little, but it's the perfect size for me. And I thought it was so stinking cute. Here's the sticker. Look how cute, y'all. That's gonna be cute. After the Flintstones, I'm gonna work on a PR package one, and then after that one, I may start this since it's small. So let's pull this bad boy out. We're gonna go over the toolkit first, though. Before we open that, we're gonna do the toolkit because I want to see what kind of stuff I got in there. So Diamond Art Club, it comes with a toolkit. It looks like this. Well, the packaging looks like that. So this one came with a purple pen, single placer, a heart-shaped plate of wax. It comes with 2 heart-shaped. In this heart-shaped container, it's 2 pieces of wax. Pink squishy with the pink pen. This is the washi tape. That's cute. Looks like dandelions. Yeah, that's what it is, dandelions. Can you imagine? I know what the dandelion looks like. Look. Ah, so cute. Comes with a boat with the stopper. Ugh. This one came with a white boat with a stopper. Pretty good, very hard plastic. A set of baggies for your drills. A 7-placer and a 4-placer. And this cute little kitty. Look how cute. Is it a kitty? Yes, it's a kitty. It's a cover minder. This cute cover minder is a kitty. Ugh. Look how cute. It's so stinking cute. I love it. Add that to my collection. Yeah. Oh my God, this wax don't want to stay in. Good grief. I don't use this wax. I use the other kind of wax. I like putty. But, you know, to each his own. Some people do like them. If y'all do, let me know. Y'all can have some because I got plenty. I got plenty. And I got plenty of toolkits. So if y'all running out, y'all let me know. I'll be happy to send y'all some. Yeah. Just not the washi tape or the cover minders. Okay, we're going to put that aside. Let me leave all this mess right here I've got going on. Okay, so. Sorry, y'all. Just move that behind me so we can open this. We're going to see what this little... Look so cute. Okay, so this is the sticker. It has 56 colors. And this is the sticker, the large sticker. You can put this in your logbook. And it tells you what it is and who it's by. And it has the start date, the end date, and the photo of it. It tells you the dimensions right here. And these are all the colors. And it has the DMC codes, as you know. Diamond Art Club always does their, always have the DMC codes. The symbols don't look like it's hard to read. We're going to go through that in a minute. It comes with an instructions booklet, a thank you for your purchase, a code, and it comes with instructions inside. Tells you what's in the kit and all that good stuff. Tells you about the canvas. They do have good canvases. Their canvases feel like butter. Like they're so soft. They do come with scalloped edges and poked so they don't come undone. So those are the edges. And this is the painting. Look how cute, y'all. Look how he's cute with his big Easter eggs. See, I think why I like the dragons because they remind me of alligators, and I'm from Louisiana. And if you know, you know, you know. We have alligators here. Yeah. Yeah. So I don't know. He just looks like an alligator or a croc, and I don't know. That's just my opinion. Okay. But he is a dragonling. Dragon. So there you see the books in the background, and they have the Easter basket with the Easter eggs, and he's dressed like a bunny, and the Easter eggs here, and whatever that is there. Look his fluffy little tail. You know, the rendering on Diamond Art Club's canvases are always beautiful. Look how he's cute. Y'all, I just like it. I don't know. I had to get it. I couldn't pass it up. So stinking cute. They have a legend on this side, the top, the left side. And it has like 56 colors, I think. Yeah, 56 colors with the DMC codes, like I said before. And they have a legend on the right-hand side as well. Now, Diamond Art Club has the warranty information down here. If you purchase a Diamond Art Club canvas from them, the warranty's here. And if you purchase one from Hobby Lobby, you can register your painting for the diamonds and stuff if you lose some or whatever. Their social media information's here. I know it's kind of hard for y'all to see, but you know. And this is the information, what it's called, the thumbnail, the size. And this is a licensed painting, meaning the artist gets paid for his work by Diamond Art Club. So yeah, look how cute. That is so cute, huh, y'all? I love it. So cute. So it seems the stick is always good on here, and it's once you lay the canvas flat, it stays pretty flat. From what I can see, let's see. I mean, it's a normal canvas, and from what I can see on here, it's not confetti bad at all. It's really simple. The symbols, I don't think, you can't mistake any symbols one for another. They seem all pretty clear. Yeah, it looks really good. All the symbols seem, no two seem alike to where you would get confused. And on the canvas either. It looks good. They even got the little heart symbol. That's cute. Let's see, are there any ABs? 1, 2, 3 ABs. So these are the drills. It is a round drill. They have ABs. Let me see if I can just open the top. Forgive me for the noise, y'all. So they do have ABs. Okay, I'm just going to pull it out like this. I'm not going to do it though. Sorry for the noise. So the ABs are green, purple, yellow. Yeah, green, purple, and yellow. So I'm going to show y'all the colors like this. So y'all can see. Y'all might be able to, I don't want to undo it because I'll never get it back like it is. I'm not doing it right now. So these are the colors. They have purples, pinks, reds, oranges, yellows, light orange, corals, blues, different shades of blues. Of course, they have white. But the ABs are green, pink, and yellow. So those would be the colors. Real good quality drills. Those pretty colors. So those are the drills for it. Really, really cute, y'all. I love it. It's gonna be fun to work on this one as well. Right now, like I said, I'm on the Flintstones. Y'all, does anybody know for Diamond Grandma's event next month? Do y'all know what it is? Because I've had all of the events. Excuse me, my nose itches. All of the events in the I had all of the events in my phone, and my phone, I got a new phone and it was erased. So yeah, I lost it. So I don't know anymore what all the months events are. So if I know y'all know, so whoever knows, or Diamond Grandma, if you're watching this, can you please tell me what's next month so I can get ready for it? Because I know I have to have a painting of whatever you're doing next month. I'm pretty sure of it. I hope anyway. I hope I don't have the auto one. Cause man, I just don't know what to pick no more when I do PR packages, you know. I like to pick stuff that we're working on so I don't have to keep purchasing. But I still do buy paintings from all of my PR companies because, I mean, you know, it's only fair. But yeah. So let me know in the description, in the comments below, all of what y'all working on, how y'all doing, all that, how's y'all families. And let me know what the next event is for Diamond Grandma and who it's with, her and who. Y'all, those events are so fun. I love them so much. I love them. Yeah, I finished mine this month. I didn't get to do 2 because I do have other things I want to work on, because I mean, I'm trying to fit everything in, you know, in between. So yeah. But I do need to know what's next month, you know, to make sure I have my painting ready. But so this is pretty cool. I like it. I like it. I'm excited to start it, but not now. I gotta finish my Flintstones, y'all. I'm gonna finish my Flintstones and I'm gonna do a video on it because it's so stinking cute. It's coming out so good. I would have got a lot done yesterday and last night, but I had a migraine so bad I couldn't even work on my painting at all. All I could do was sit down with heating pads, ice packs, all that good stuff. Lord, my dog's barking. All right, you guys, that's gonna end this video for now. Sorry about the dog. You know, it is what it is. Please leave any comments in the comment section below, and y'all don't forget to answer my questions. I love you guys. Y'all have a great day. Bye.